Okay, this is a video basically showcasing one of my harnesses. It's a 2S4P or 12S4P, depending on how you want to look at it. It uses the Turnigy packs, like one similar to the ones that are pictured here. Alright, I'm just going to hop right into it. Right here we have the main part of the harness, and we have two sections of this harness. This is a 2S harness, so we're going to have two packs in series and four in parallel. So, there's four plugs right there, as you can see, and so all of these parallel together up here to one plug, and then you have the other half of the plug that has four connections, and it goes to this plug. Now, right now on the plug, it just appears that we have two plugs slid together. They both have four packs apiece. Now it's like, how do we series these? Alright, so we have a series cable that will take all of those 8 packs, and it will parallel four of them, it'll parallel 4 packs on each string, and then the series cable will series it up here. And here's the series cable. This is the series cable. It mates to this plug right here. Alright, so we have the cable right here is plugged in, and so now those 2 packs that were, I think in your case it was 22.2 volt packs. So like I said, you have four 22.2 volt packs right here and four 22.2 volt packs right here. That should give you 44 volts, 20 amp hours when it's series up here. And you can tell this is a series cable. There will be a cross or a little loop, and that little loop basically it loops, it series the bottom part of the plug to the top part, and then you have your discharge wires. You requested a fuse, so right now we have an inline fuse. It's a AGU fuse, and it's a 50 amp fuse in there. And it's all self-contained, so if it does blow, it will blow inside the little glass cartridge. You shouldn't have any other fireworks or anything. On the other end of this cable, you have an Anderson cable. It's a PP45, and that's what these connections are also. They're PP45 Anderson connectors. They're good up to 45 amps. So this will go to your controller, and now the question is, how do we charge all of these? Alright, so right now it said the discharge cable is on, so I'm going to plug this, and here is the other cable that I want to show you. This is your charging cable, and what this cable does is, like, there's no loop or anything on this. It just parallels the packs that are on the top and bottom rows, and then they go to these 4mm bullets, which plug into the charger. Now I want to show you this because I don't want any fireworks or you to say you blew anything up. Before you hook your harness to this, make sure you plug it into your charger first, because if these were to touch, this could be very bad. You'll ruin the connections, possibly ruin your packs. So I'm going to go ahead and make my connections right now. Alright, once those are plugged in, it should be safe to plug in your harness to your pack side of your harness, your charging cable to your pack side of your harness. So I'm gonna grab your charge cable, and need some hands for this. Alright, so we got that plugged in. So all the packs that are plugged in down there are parallel together, and it's acting as one large pack. And your iCharger or whatever charger you're using is charging it up as one big pack. This is the only time where if you had like balance cables or something, you can plug them in and balance the whole pack as a whole. You can have, I know they have pre-made 6-to-1 cables. This is a 4-to-1 cable for my packs that are up here. So this is the only time that you would plug your balance cables in, is while you're parallel charging with this cable. Once you get done charging, make sure you unplug this, and then you can unplug this. And once you unplug this, you can just leave this with the charger, and then you plug this back into the discharge harness like so, and then you're ready to go. Like I said, this goes to the controller. Now I'm gonna just demonstrate something really quick. Like, these are supposed to mate with Turnigy packs, and this is just a regular unmodified pack. So, you know, to prove there won't be any fireworks or anything, and that they mate properly is, you know, you look at the plug right there, and you look at the matching plug. Alright, the polarity looks good and the colors look good, so I'm gonna just, and the packs plug in like so. Really solid connection. And here's another pack just showing how they plug in on the harness. Now this is plugged in on one section of the harness. Now I'm gonna plug the other pack into the other section of the harness. So do this quite quick. Alright, so that pack is plugged in right now, and then, like I said, both of these packs are plugged into the two different sections of the harness. Now the rest of these, you can fill these up. If you have all the packs, you can plug all your packs in, but in this case I only have 2 packs, so I can actually leave these unused. And like if you're buying packs, or you want to buy packs in the future and you want to get a larger harness than you actually need, you can just tell me, hey, I want 4P, 5P, 6P, and I'll add the extra cables, and it's okay for them to be loose like that. Now, like I said, I got the series discharge cable plugged in right there, and this is supposed to be double the voltage for those packs, because we're putting those in series. These are 4S packs, so they should be sitting at about 15.8, 15.4, 15.8. These are partially discharged. I'm gonna get my voltmeter and show you how it's seriesing and paralleling your pack. So just give me 1 second. This is just a regular voltmeter. I'm gonna turn it to DC 200 volts, and hopefully I can do this without creating any sparks. I currently have like 1 probe on the back of this negative connector and the positive, you know, which is right here. I'm gonna touch the front part of it, and it's giving me 31.4 volts. So these 2 packs are in series. So let me just prove to you that that when they're in parallel, it's half the voltage. Well, and this pack, in this harness case, it's half the voltage. So give me 1 second. This is just a plug that's that the packs are hooked to. They're just individual packs, and they're not series or parallel in any way right here. I'm gonna do the same thing I did before, which was probe the back of one of these. Alright, so there's the plug right there. It's on the top row where I need to probe. And alright, I have 15.7. So that series plug doubles your voltage when it's plugged in, and when whenever it's unplugged. Pads go into the single parallel groups, and then when you plug in your charging cable, it will parallel. Like I said, if this first row is 15.7, then the second pack is 15.7. Also, the little cable over here, it parallels those two packs together for one big large pack that's 15.7 volts, and it will you will be able to charge all your packs in parallel. Even though I only have 2 packs right here, you will have 8 packs charging in parallel on this cable that's connected to the charger. So I hope this explains everything. And thank you for purchasing the harness, and you have a wonderful day.